Are you ready to transform your business and achieve unparalleled success? Today, I'm going to share the key steps to developing a strategic plan that will set your business on the path to greatness. Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Talbot, a strategy consultant and digital course creator. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to create a successful strategic plan for your business. Whether you're a startup or an established company, these steps will help you navigate the complexities of the business world and achieve your goals. Step 1. Define your purpose, mission, vision, and values. This is your foundation. What is your why? Where do you see your business in the future? What principles guide your actions? Clarity here provides direction and purpose and will help support future strategic decisions. Step 2. Conduct a thorough situation analysis. This is where you assess your current position. Perform a SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and analyze your market, competitors, and internal capabilities. This provides the crucial context for decision-making. Step 3. Set clear, measurable goals. Your goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures you can track progress and stay accountable. Step 4. Develop strategic initiatives and action plans. This is where you outline the specific actions needed to achieve your goals. Break down your initiatives into actionable steps, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Step 5. Allocate resources and budget. Strategy without resources is just wishful thinking. Ensure you allocate the necessary financial, human, and technological resources to support your plan. Step 6. Implement and monitor progress. Execution is key. Regularly track your progress, measure key performance indicators, KPIs, and make adjustments as needed. A strategic plan is a living document, not a static one. Step 7. Review and adapt. The business landscape is constantly changing. Schedule regular reviews to assess your plan's effectiveness and adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Flexibility is vital for long-term success. Now here's a bonus tip that many overlook. Foster a culture of strategic thinking within your organization. Involve your team in the planning process. Communicate the strategy clearly and empower them to contribute to its success. This creates buy-in and ensures everyone is aligned with the same goals. Also, remember to create contingency plans. What will you do if the market shifts dramatically or a new competitor emerges? Preparing for the unexpected can be critical to your business staying on track. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a like. And if you want to learn more about strategic planning and business growth, subscribe to my channel. I regularly share practical strategies and insights to help you achieve your business goals. Also, if you're ready to take your strategic planning to the next level, check out my digital courses and consulting services linked in the description below. Let's work together to turn your vision into reality.